Hello and welcome to Mr. Tech Talks. In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to add a follow button on your Facebook profile. If your Facebook application is on the latest 2022 version, then this video is for you. You can see step by step how we can add a follow button on the profile. But if you are still on the older version of the Facebook application, or if your profile is still not updated to the latest software of the Facebook, then you can follow my other video. I will include that video link in the description. You can take a look and see how you can add a follow button if you are on the older version of the software. So let's get started. Alright, so log into your Facebook account or open your Facebook application on your phone. Now, once you are on your home screen, tap on your profile picture. I'm gonna tap here, my profile picture. And now come down here, scroll down and click on these three dots where it says add to story. By that, there are three dots. Tap on it and now tap on view as. Here you can see view as to see how your profile is going to look like to others. So I'm gonna tap on it. So as you can see here, this profile is going to look like this way. Is going to show add friend. So what we are going to do is to replace this add friend to follow button. So whenever people look at your profile, once they hit the follow button, they will be added as a follower on your Facebook profile. So let's get started. So now go back to your home screen again. Click on this back arrow here one more time. Alright, and now tap on this home button here. Alright, now on the top right hand corner here, where there you can see these three lines, tap on these three lines here and now scroll down until you see settings and privacy. You can see here setting and privacy. Now under settings and privacy, tap on settings. Now you will see a new page where it says profile settings. Alright, so tap on this icon here where it says profile settings. Tap on it. And now here on privacy, tap on privacy where you can see this lock sign. Tap on this privacy icon and here scroll down. Alright, scroll down until you see how people find and contact you, and tap on this first one here where it says who can send you friend request. So tap on here and now you can see that it is set to everyone. So who can send you friend request, it is now set to everyone. We will change it to friends of friends. So this is very important setting. So if you don't do this setting, you won't be able to add the follow button on your profile. So now go back again and now tap on public post here. You can see the third one from the top, the public post. So tap on it and now make sure that everything here, like all those options here, are either public or everyone. So make sure that it's all public or everyone. So this first option is public, the second one is public, the third one is public, and the fourth one is everyone. And now we go back to the home screen again. Okay, and tap on this home icon and now click or tap on this profile image here, and now again click or tap on these three dots, and now tap on view as, and now you will see that now the friend request that I showed you initially, it has changed to follow. So as you have seen that by doing few changes, I have converted my friend request button to the follow button. So that's how you add a follow button on your profile with the latest version of Facebook app. And if you are still on the older version, then you can follow my other video. I have included the video link in the description. You can watch that video later. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Mr. Tech Talks. See you in the next video. Bye for now.